AI is booming right now, and it seems like every single day I open my phone, there's a new AI tool that got released, and it's insane what these AI tools can do. And in this video, I'm going to share you 5 AI tools that I've been testing that you can test for free that could potentially change your life. Let's get started. Now, this website has a bunch of tools that you can choose from, right? But the one that I'm fascinated about that I will show you today is how to turn your thoughts into videos. Now, what you want to do, you can try this for free. You can just go ahead and click try for free, and you can sign in with your Gmail or with Apple. I'm going to do it with Gmail. We can skip this and let's go ahead and try it for free. And once you're inside, guys, you will see a bunch of different things that you can do with the tool here, right? But let's go ahead and test this Gen tool. And what I'm going to do now is just go ahead and put in a prompt and allow this tool to generate a video for me. So let me go ahead and do so. Now let's see what it will generate for us. This can take up to a minute depending on what you're generating, but it's normally very quick. Now you can see that I've asked it to create a brand new earth underneath the ocean. We're going to see what it's going to generate. Now guys, have a look at this. This is what it has generated for me. Isn't that amazing? I've asked it to generate a new earth underneath the ocean, and that is simply amazing. If you look at the details, it looks like there's an earth underneath the ocean. It's crazy. And this is the first tool. Now guys, if you think that's amazing, go ahead, give this video a like and subscribe to the channel to see much more videos coming out every week like this one. Let's continue. Now guys, the second website that I want to show you is this website here, MIXO.io. And this website allows you to generate a brand new website within seconds. Let's get started for free. I'm going to ask it to create a YouTube service that will create amazing and engaging videos for content creators. Let's see what it can generate. I hit generate site there, and this is going to do its thing and generate a website for me. And these websites are generally very responsive and very good. Have a look at this website, guys. This is incredible. Now what stands out is the freaking logo, Edit Pro. It comes up with a really nice name, Edit Pro, and it comes up with a nice little interesting logo there. You can also save and you can customize it. And have a look at the content that it has generated. You can see the content here. Elevate your YouTube content with professional editing. That's crazy. Have a look at this. And as I mentioned, it's a very responsive website, and you can go ahead and you can save this, and you can also edit the website more. If you don't like this, you can always refresh the image selection, and this will come up with better images for you if you feel like those images weren't awesome enough. You know what I mean? And if you think that these changes are not good enough, you can always revert the changes and it will load your previous pictures that you had before. It's totally up to you. Now guys, the third website that I want to show you is this website here, vocalremover.org. And what this is gonna do for you is, if you should upload any music track, and with the power of AI, this is gonna separate the background music and the vocals into 2 separate tracks that you can download and use whenever and however you want. Let's give it a moment to do its processing, and here it is. Now, by default, my vocals is turned down and my music is up. But I'm gonna show you what it sounds like with both the vocal and the music turned up. Here's the original.
If you think you're just gonna have a dream and a goal, and you're just gonna wake up and make it happen, you're dead wrong.
Now that's with both of them up, right? Now I'm going to reduce the background music and let you hear what the vocal alone sounds like. It's really cool.
Life will beat you down over and over and over. That dream will always be tested.
Isn't that cool? Hear the background music. If you would like to have the background music alone, you can always reduce the vocal and keep the music. Here's it. Now once you decide what you want to download, you can easily go ahead and you can hit the save button, and this will give you an option to download music or vocal, or you can download both of them. You just basically need to choose whichever you want and click on it, and it will download it for you. Now as you can see, I've downloaded the vocal here. I'm going to go ahead and play it so you can hear what it sounds like.
If you think you're just gonna have a dream and a goal, and you're just gonna wake up.
It's pretty cool, isn't it? Now if you find some value and you haven't subscribed to the channel or liked the video, come on guys, give this video a like. No guys, no, this website here that I want to show you, it's called FAQ, right? It basically allows you to do text to speech, voice to voice, and video lip sync, right? The one that we're gonna test is the text to speech because it's really cool. We can try it out for free, so let's go ahead and click text to speech. And what this does, it has so many voices, guys. So if you think about almost any celebrity that you can think of, this tool has the voice there, and all you have to do is just put in your text and it will automatically generate that person to speak it for you. So let's test it out. Now I have a text here. I'm gonna put this text here into it, and I'm gonna choose a celebrity to speak it for me. So let's see who we can find. Now, as you see, I will go ahead and I will choose Steve Harvey here. Let's have Steve Harvey speak this for us. It's gonna generate for a few seconds and then you will be able to hear it. Now let's hear it, guys.
Want to create amazing and engaging videos for your YouTube channel? Our professional editing services will help you stand out from the crowd.
That's funny, right? Let's try another person now, guys. Let's find somebody else. Let's go ahead and try Messi. Let's see if we can find Messi. Oh, they have Lionel Messi, guys. Lionel Messi. So let's go ahead and we'll try Lionel Messi. Let's have Lionel Messi. Well, this is not Spanish, but let's have Lionel Messi try to speak that. All right, let's play it.
Antes de actividad forzó tu channel profesional y que servicio y tratando con control.
Whoa, that's crazy. It actually sounds like Lionel Messi. Hey, that's a bomb. No, guys, as you can see, they have so many people here that you can choose from. That's interesting. No, guys, you have to go ahead and you have to test this out for yourself. I advise that you can go ahead and you can check out fakeU.com there. You can try it for free, but they also have their pricing. You can go ahead and you can see the pricing here. If you feel like you like it and you want to try it out and you want to pay for one of these plans, you can definitely do so. And guys, the last website that I want to share with you for today is this website here that's called SUPERMEME.ai. So if you're a person creating memes, you can use this AI tool to generate some really cool memes. Let's go ahead and try it out. And let me sign in with my Gmail here. And as you can see, you have a bunch of options here. You can use a meme maker, you can search, you can do team memes. I'm gonna go ahead and test the text to meme, but you can go ahead and you can sign up for free and test it out. Now let me go ahead and create something really cool. So I've asked it just reach 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. And here, guys, you can go ahead and you can choose whether you want it to be an image or you want it to be a GIF. Let's test the GIF and have a look at that. And it's super cool, guys. Super freaking cool. And you know what, guys? You can use this tool if you're a person who are selling like a service on Fiverr by selling memes. You can utilize this tool to make some money. Because it gives you so many options that you can do. So once you're finished finding your meme, and if you register for the service, you can go ahead and you can save it and you can download those memes and you can basically sell them or whatever you want to do with them. It's up to you. And guys, if you've not yet subscribed to the channel or give this video a like, then I'm gonna give you 3 more AI tools as a bonus tip for your subscription and for your like. Now, the first bonus website that I want to give to you is this website here, LOOKA.ai. This website allows you to generate really stunning logos. All you have to do, put in your website name, put in your industry, and you'll be able to generate stunning logos with this website. So you can go ahead and you can check out this website for free and generate some really cool logos here. The next one is lumen5.com. Guys, this one is something like Pictory, and what it does, it allows you to use your blog posts and create videos from them. The AI will create some really stunning videos for you. So if you're a person who have a blog, or you also offering your service on Fiverr or Upwork, whichever, by converting blog posts to videos, then you might find this website very useful. And lastly, SCRIBE, guys. This website allows you to record your screen and create step-by-step tutorial with them. So if you're looking to save some time, once you record your screen, it will generate a step-by-step tutorial for you. Guys, I really hope that you found some value within this video. And if you do, give this video a thumbs up. And if you have not yet subscribed, feel free to subscribe to the channel to see much more videos coming out every week, like this one.